Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I am here to show you my handmade ornament tree. I have it up. It's been up for a few days. I want to start with the bottom. My mom made the Christmas tree skirt. She crocheted it probably 6-7 years ago. So I wanted to show that. And then as we come forward, I want to start showing you some of the ornaments. Okay, up at the top we have the star. And right here in the front is the breast cancer ribbon angel ornament. And here is, I believe it's plastic canvas wreath. And then over here is some of the crochet flowers, or one of them right here. And I've got some bulbs on there. And then down here is the last cross stitch, the wizard ornament, the snowman and the snowman and the cat. And then down here I have a wreath that I crocheted. And then there is another flower ornament. And down here is one of those candle ornaments that one of my sons made. Over here is one of the angels that my mom crocheted. And right here, sorry about the lighting, my house is a rather dark house. There is one of the angels, let me see, that's made with the shells. And here is my robin, Christmas robin that I crocheted. And then above that is a plastic canvas angel. And then next to that is a plastic canvas ornament. Up above that is a cross-stitch candy cane ornament that I made last year. And down here is a candy ornament that I got in an ornament swap probably about a week ago. Very pretty. And then I just have some little stuffed, I have this little stuffed Christmas dog there. And I've got a little girl that says, "I love Santa." I have those on the bottom branches. Okay, and then as we go up, here's another wreath ornament that I made, crocheted. We come around and there is another flower ornament. And here is the first wizard snowman ornament that I made. And then here is a Christmas tree crochet ornament that I made. And then up above, up right here is a cross-stitch cat holding a bell. See if I can get in right there. And then up above that is another flower ornament. And then my mom's angel ornament. And then down here is an ornament. I don't believe I showed this. This is made out of that wire ribbon. So, yeah, that was handmade. Let me see. Right here is a plastic canvas ornament. And I think we're pretty much getting done here. And here's another flower ornament I crocheted. And here is an angel ornament that my mom made. Here is the other candle ornament that one of my sons made. And here is a snowflake flower thing that I made out of plastic canvas. Here is another angel that my mom made. And then here is the star ornament. And I think that is it. I think I have, no, I didn't. Here is one right here that is plastic canvas ornament as well. Okay, I think I have showed everything, so I'm going to back up so that you can see again the whole tree. There it is. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like, share the video. I would appreciate it, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.